Alright, so I am back with another fat pile of things that I've made. And this is everything that I've made from June? Yeah, it's from June until August. So I have some things that I've made in September, but I'll save that for a later video or else it'll be extremely long, like really long. Anyways, let me just put this down. Alright, so first off, I have the Howl cardigan. So this is one that I've like been wanting to make for like a pretty long time. Or rather, this is called the Starboy coat. I keep on calling it the Howl cardigan because it's inspired by Howl, but yeah, anyways. Yeah, it's the Starboy coat, and I've been wanting to make this for my sister for a really long time. I ended up making it a tiny bit too short, so she wanted it to be like a coat style, but I accidentally made it too short, but it's still cute. It's still cute. And I don't know if you can tell, but I put like these like brass like buttons, or are these brass? Okay, whatever. I put like these fancy buttons that are like metal colored or whatever. It's like this bronzy color and they're really pretty. My mom found like a bunch of like these free buttons off of like, I think it was like either Nextdoor or Facebook Marketplace for free, so she brought them back for me because she knows that I like making clothes. Okay, so next up we have Maho Kuma. This really cute JK schoolgirl inspired top. So cute. I made it for my sister. And it has this like bow on the back where you can like use to cinch in the waist. And then I don't know if you can tell, but the buttons are like little tiny bears. And you can actually purchase this pattern later on when Haley releases it. And yeah, I'll add it to the description as well. But yeah, the back is just like the super cute sailor collar, and everything about it is just so adorable. I actually have some yarn in like this minty green color and like purple that I kind of want to use to make myself one, but we shall see. Alright, and then next we have the Gardenia skirt. So this is the one that I made for my sister. So it's like a mini length and it's like black and white, so it's kind of like babe stylish. And then on the side there are like these lace up things in case she needs to like cinch it in, because I didn't put an elastic in hers. But yeah, it looks like this, super cute. It has bows like running down the two front slits. You can't tell, but when you wear them you'll see like, oh my goodness, you can barely tell, but yeah, anyways, you'll see like some gaps like in between where the bows are tied, because it's supposed to imitate like these really cute like bow tie front like tights that I've seen like everywhere, that are quite popular right now, and they're like super cute. I've actually liked those types of tights for a really long time. And then the bottom is just a bunch of frills. And I actually made one for myself, except in a longer midi length, because I typically prefer wearing longer skirts and longer dresses, so I made one for myself, and it's in this really pretty color. I don't really know what color this is. It's like pale green or whatever, I don't know. Anyways, it's really pretty. Alright, next we have the Florence cardigan. This one's also really quite cute. It has like these like mesh flowers on it. I actually tested this cardigan for Nastya. I don't know if I'm pronouncing her name right, but anyways, really cute. I really like this one because it's like a pretty good transitional piece. So if you're going like from, I don't know why I have to think so hard about this. If you're going from like summer to like spring, then you can like wear this one when it gets like a little bit more chilly outside, and it won't be like too hot, but it'll also keep you warmer. Super pretty. I love this one so much. I actually want to make one in green, but I don't have yarn for that right now, and I'm kind of on a yarn ban, so I'm not buying any more yarn until I use up most of the ones that I have right now. But so cute. Next we have this banana fish top. I think I made this one in September, but it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna show you all right now. And it has basically the name in the back, Banana Fish. It's like written in the same font as like the, I think the manga also has the same font. Let me check. No, the manga has a different font. Okay, the manga has a different font, but this is the font that's like on the anime title. And on the front it has like a bagged like banana looking fish. This isn't like what a real banana fish looks like, I think, because I know the name was taken from I think it's a short story by like Salinger or whatever, about how like if you encounter a banana fish then like bad things will happen or something. I don't know, but it's a bagged banana fish. There's like sort of like symbolism behind this, but this ain't fine arts class, so I'm not gonna talk about it because it's gonna end up being like a whole ass like paragraph of like why I made this the way it was. But yeah, these two graphigrams are actually free on my Ko-fi, so if you'd like to embroider these graphs onto something, onto like a knit sweater or something that's like too boring, then yeah, you can do it yourself. Alrighty, next is this pudgy little vest. It's like so cute, just a tiny little vest that I made, and it's actually the flower box cardigan, but like in vest form. And I have the pattern for free on my Ko-fi, as long as you already have the flower box cardigan, because it basically follows all the same instructions, but it just has this like armhole shaping right here. But yeah, it's so cute. Okay, and then we have this, which is the I have a really hard time remembering these names. Oh, it's the Paper Lanterns top. And I actually modified this one, so I frogged the sleeves like so many times that I don't even know how many times I frogged it. I just frogged it so many times. And honestly, it was pretty sad because the main like, I guess like attraction, at least in my opinion, for the pattern are the sleeves, because the sleeves are like puffed in 3 sections to make it kind of look like paper lanterns. Unfortunately, the reason why I ended up not making this with sleeves is because every single time I put it on like with the sleeves, because like I finished the sleeves like maybe 3 times because I was like in self-denial. I was like, why does it look like this? Anyways, it's because I just thought it looked funky on me. I don't know, there's something about like me wearing like super like cutesy slash like frilly things that just doesn't look right. Like Lolita style is like super freaking cute, and I know like you can wear whatever the frick you want, like it doesn't matter what it looks like on you or if it suits you or whatever, but I just feel like it just doesn't look great on me. So anyways, so I made it without sleeves, and I also made it with a taller back, a higher back, because like when I made it like without the taller back, the straps kept slipping off like my shoulders. I think it's because like it's pretty like far out, so it's like right here, so it just kept slipping off. And you can like put a bow in the back, which is what the pattern actually has, or you can lace it up in the back, but I just decided to make it higher. And then we have, and I made this one in May, but I wasn't able to show you all on camera. I did show you all on camera a couple of times, but whatever. We have the Watson dress. I made mine quite oversized. I think if I were to make another one, I would make it in either purple or green, and then just make it closer to my own measurements. I'm always like paranoid that like if I make something that's like too form-fitting or like bodycon style, that it will make me really uncomfortable. But anyways, I can totally just make this one more form-fitting around like the top bust part, and then as for the hips themselves, I'll just like make it like 8-line. But yeah, I do want to make another one for myself. I modified, or I edited the pattern quite a bit so that the fit is even better. So this is actually like the first prototype, and then my testers really helped me in modifying it. So yeah, really thankful for them. But it's this like cute milkmaid style top with like tartan and puffy sleeves, and you can like tie the ends of this puff sleeves together if you want, which is what I did here. But it's super cute. The pattern will be out along with the gardenia skirt in October. Yeah, the middle of October sometime. Yeah, but it looks like this, and it has like a tie back, so although I did make this quite oversized on myself, since it has like a tie back, you can just like cinch in the waist. And then last but not least, of course, I made a Watson top. So this one fits me way better because it's like my measurements. But it's this same Milkmaid style top where you can cinch in the top a little bit to give it like that ruffle. And it still has the same puff sleeves. This time, however, I made the sleeve shorter. And then I didn't like cinch it in, so it just looks like that. Yeah, Watson top. My pride and joy, my new baby. I have new babies, new favorites every single month. And this one is most definitely my favorite. I like it more than my dress. Probably because it fits me better. But yeah, anyways. Yeah, that's it. Hey, come here. Come here. Pickle recently got a shave, so now she's a Bingus pickle. She's a Bingus right now. She's like, why did you carry me up here? Why'd you carry me up here? I just wanted your attention. Anyways, bye bye. Thank you for watching.